Okay, so this is a look at room number 619 on Ponant's Boreal ship. Now again, I'm not here with Ponant directly. I'm cruising with Tauck, and I'll explain that more in my blog and in my gallery and stuff. But like I said, this is a Ponant ship. It's called the Boreal. So you can see the separate toilet there. So this is like, I've cruised with Ponant a couple of times with Tauck. I've probably shown you some videos before, which you've seen. So this is going to look identical to the rooms I've been in before. Again, you got the sink and the shower in the separate area, closed off from the toilet. You've got the different amenities, you know, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, that kind of thing. So again, they call these prestige balcony staterooms. And you can see it's got the little sitting area, nice size bed, not quite a king, but pretty close. So definitely bigger than a queen. You've got your coffee maker and everything over here. They give you these water bottles which you can fill throughout the ship, so you don't need to worry about, using tons of plastic. Down here, they've got some stuff in the mini bar, and because we're here with Tauck, this will all be included. So again, with Ponant directly it wouldn't be, but with Tauck it is. So again, looks like a normal balcony room, and like the prestige balcony rooms that I've stayed in the past. But the difference here is I'm actually cruising with my sister and sister-in-law. So what we did was we got one what they call a prestige suite. So you can actually see the balcony goes further than normal, simply because they got the door. You can see there's a balcony door outside there that they got open. And then in here, it's almost like a hotel room with a door in between. So what it is that we've actually got a bed on both sides. So it's like a 2-bedroom suite kind of thing. Now, also sometimes couples do this. If you got a snorer, maybe the guy will sleep here, the woman will sleep here. Or a lot of times there's a couch over here instead of a bed. So it just gives them more space. So again, all they really do is they combine two of these prestige staterooms together. They call it a prestige suite. Overall, you know, the pricing works out a little bit better than buying these separately. And actually, I did not realize this in the second one. So there you go. It's actually not a shower. It's actually, yeah, that's something I never realized before because I've seen these rooms. So it is a shower, but it's more of a tub in there. And I'm sure the other room there wasn't a tub, but I might go back and have a look and just show you. But again, everything else looks the same. You know, it's kind of like a mirror image of each other. So again, you got the toilet, closets over here. And then you can see down there, you've got the tub. And let's go check it out together. Because again, I'm almost sure it was a shower. You probably already know the answer because yeah, there you go. So it's just a shower. So one side is a shower and one side is a bath. But it also has a shower in there as well. So there you go. So like I said, it's a kind of a 2-bedroom prestige suite, 2 prestige staterooms joined together. And again, you can do it like what we're doing, where we got, you know, me on one side, the girls on the other. Or maybe you got 2 couples with a snorer or whatnot. So there you go. That's an idea for a different kind of room when you're on these Ponant ships.